Top 5 Best Folding Wagons. Best folding wagons for you. The 5 best folding wagons. Whether you're hauling the kids, groceries, sporting equipment, or a cooler full of beer, one of these collapsible wagons will help lighten the load and get you to and from your car or home with ease. All of these models can be folded, which makes for convenient transportation and storage when you aren't using them, even if you don't have tons of space in your trunk, closet, or garage. When users buy our independently chosen editorial choices, we may earn commissions to help fund the reviewed parks. Radio Flyer Ultimate Easy 3900.
Size wagon offers a comfort ride and a one-hand compact fold, so you can store it or take it anywhere. The 2 kid-friendly comfort seats make this full-size wagon a great ride. There are 4 cup holders, 2 for kids and 2 for adults. 2 child seat belts provide a safe ride, and the door-clean fabric is easy to wipe off. The Quiet Ride tires provide a smooth ride, and the great hauling capacity lets you bring everything you need. Plus, the removable canopy and the easy grip handle make packing up quick and easy. The wagon even rolls when folded. The Radio Flyer Easy Fold Wagon, a full-size wagon with a one-handed compact fold.
Number 2 Wonderfold Multi-Purpose. Crazy Sale.
Product comes fully assembled, so all you have to do is take it out of the box, remove the plastic, and you're ready to roll. To unfold, pull back on the latch and push the wagon apart. Make sure to cover the hinges on both sides of the frame. The pull handle is adjustable, it has a spring bounce so it'll never hit the floor, and it has active steering, so when you pull side to side, the wheels also move side to side, making it super easy to steer. To fold, pull up on the tab in the middle and pull together and it latches on the side. The S1 also has a self-standing feature. Thanks for watching our video on the S1 utility wagon.
Number 3 Max Sports Beachcomber. Number 4 Oneva Picnic Time Adventure. Crazy Sale.
Farmers markets and tailgating events to beach excursions and camping. The Adventure Wagon is a portable folding utility wagon and is made of 2-tone 600 denier polyester with a powder-coated steel frame. It has all-terrain wheels and a telescopic handle. There is also a zippered hanging storage pocket inside the wagon. The Adventure Wagon is fully collapsible, making it easy to store when not in use. It has a storage cover with carry handle and pocket to hold the floor panel. It is also available with licensed team logos for MLB, NBA, NFL, or college team logos. The Adventure Wagon is a multifunctional, compact workhorse that makes a great addition to your home or a memorable, unique gift.
Number 5 Haukiko T93108. Crazy Sale.